Good morning student, myself Rajni Madhukar. I am once again here for you for your online classes and I welcome you Gokul Das Public School structured syllabus based online classes. Now student, at present we finished our two chapter, that is the chapter number 10 and chapter number 11 and 12 is not in your syllabus. Okay, 8, 9 and 11 and 12 not in your syllabus. Clear? After that we start with chapter number 13 and we finished all the things related of the chapter number 13. Now today we will start your new chapter, that is the chapter number 14. And what is the name of the chapter? Roots and flowers. स्टूडेंट वी कम्प्लीटली फिनिश्ड आर चैप्टर नंबर 13. अभी हमने चैप्टर नंबर 13 फिनिश कर दिया है और सिलेबस में आपके चैप्टर नंबर 10, 13 और अब हम लोग 14 चैप्टर स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. ओके, नाउ इन दिस चैप्टर व्हाट आई एक्सप्लेन यू व्हाट आर द गिवन इन दिस चैप्टर, वी विल डिस्कस फर्स्ट अबाउट दैट. Okay student, now in this chapter first I explain you about the plant. Okay, this chapter related to plant. Roots and flowers we found in the trees, not in the animals, not in the human beings. Flowers and roots we found in the plants. Clear? And trees. Fruits also we get from the plant. Now student, in this chapter, in your last class, means in class 3, I was explaining you about the two types of the system, those that are present in the plant. I explained you about that root system and shoot system. Clear student? This thing in class 2 I also explained you. In class 3 I was also explaining you about that. Now again this thing in this book, means in class 4, these two systems not given in the detail form. Okay, but what I explain you in this chapter, first number is roots and their function. Roots and their function. Now the second thing I will explain you in this chapter, that is the different types of root. Different types of roots. And now the next thing, part of a flower, means this chapter related to only root and flowers. So we will discuss about the roots and only flower. Roots and flower, and after that there are so many parts of the plant, not only root and flower. Clear? Just after the few minutes I will explain you, but what is the given in this chapter? First we will discuss about that. Means what I explain you in this chapter. Clear? First is roots and their function. Clear? If any parts found in the any plant, so that is functioning. अगर कोई part होता है flower में तो वो काम करता है. Same like our body. If you have hand, your hand working for you, you hold the pen, you eat the food. If you have legs, you walk, you run through that. Same way, if any part present in the plant, so that is function. Clear? Different types of root, not only one types of root found in the plant. There are so many different plants and trees we found in the nature, so they have different types of roots system. Clear? Now after that Next thing given in this chapter, that is the flower. Okay, flower. So what parts of a flower? In this chapter we will discuss about the parts of flower. Okay student, there we found so many colorful flower in the nature. Some are white, some are pink, some are red, some are green, some are orange. There are so many types of and so many colorful flower we see in the nature. Clear? But now we see different parts of the flower. If you observe any flower, so you get different types of parts. Clear? Human beings, our body made by the different parts. हमारा शरीर अलग अलग पार्ट से बना है ना. Some are the internal parts, some are the outer parts, external part. Same way flowers have different parts. Flowers में भी different parts होते हैं. Clear? Some are colorful, some in the green color. Okay, some part we are looking yellow, black. Clear? And they have some different parts. So we will discuss about that parts of a flower. Now after that, uses of flower. Uses of flower. Clear student? In how we the human beings use flower. Clear? So this thing we will discuss in this chapter. What is the number of the chapter? Chapter number 14. Roots and flower. In this chapter we will discuss only about the roots and flower. Different types of roots, function of the roots, and flower, the parts of the flower and their uses. Main thing is that given in this chapter. But we discuss about this is the short revision. Student, you all know different parts of the plants and different system. Those are found in the plants. You know about that. Are you know about that? Systems. How many systems present in the plants? How many systems? Before that, we will discuss. I draw a picture for you. That is given in your textbook also. See, that is given in your textbook that this is the chapter number 14. Okay student, now see this page. One picture of a plant. Picture of a plant given here. See this. Student, I explain you. I am not doing any reading of this paragraph. Okay. First I explain you about the two systems of the plant, and after that we read this chapter. Clear? Chapter number 14 given in your textbook, that is the page number 94. Okay. Student, this is the quick revision for you because this system I was explained you in the class 2 and class 3 also. Clear? Now this is the fruit. Okay. Now, clear student, you all aware about the different parts of the plant, that is leaves, next part is flower, after that fruit, now bird is also there, birds, now the branches. Okay student, these are the parts of the flower. Now after that, this is the stem and this is root. Okay, this is the parts of the plant. Clear? Now student, if we divide a plant, so we have to divide in the two parts. Clear? Those are the visible. You have to see it. We can see them. These parts means leaves, flower, fruits, birds, branches. Stem also we include in these parts. So you will see these parts. क्या आप इन parts को देख सकते हो? Yes. What is the color of the leaf? Green. What is the color of the flower? There are so many different types of the flower found in the nature. Red, green, white, blue, yellow, pink. Okay. After that, birds. Color of the birds is green. After that, fruits. There are so many different types of fruits present in the nature. Plants give us different types of fruits and they have different colors. Clear? Now the branches. Branches. What is the color of the branches? Green or brown. And this is the stem. Stem. What is the color of the stem in the trees? That is brown. And those are the small plants. They have green plant. Some plants have, those are related to herbs. छोटे छोटे घास वाले पौधे होते हैं. They have green and soft stem. Clear? And some have woody and green stem. कुछ का green भी होता है और woody भी होता है. And the tree has strong woody stem with covered with bark. छाल से ढका होता है. Clear? So this is the different parts of the plants. And now if we divide a plant or tree, we have to divide in the two parts. That is the visible part जिसे हम देख सकते हैं. We give them name. This part is called shoot system. Okay, shoot system. And now this part that is not visible for us, हम उसे देख नहीं सकते. And that is present where? Underground, the soil. Clear? Above the soil, जो मिट्टी के नीचे होता है. Below the soil, ऊपर जो होता है, that is shoot. And above the soil, that is called root system. So we give them name root system, shoot system and root system. Now, this is the two. What is that shoot system and root system? These are the systems. Those are present in the plant and trees. Clear? Now, this thing I explained you in the class 3 also and 2 also. So we will not discuss about this thing, but this is the short and quick revision for you. Clear? Now the plants have two types of system, that is root system and shoot system. Shoot system, that is the visible for us. We have to see them, we can see them. And now the root system is not visible for, because the roots are present in the underground of the soil. मिट्टी के नीचे होती है. Clear? So this is the related to this chapter. First with this, why we discuss about it? Because all the things rotate in these parts. इसी के आसपास घूमेगा आपका चैप्टर. Clear? Now we read this thing. Okay? What is given in the first line? Plants are living things. Yes. Plants, animals and human beings are the living beings. They also have many parts. Yes. The human beings have, their body have so many parts. Like same way the plants have different parts. These are the parts of the plant. Okay. Leaves, flower, fruits, birds, branches, after that stem and root. These are the parts of the plant. Now each part of the plants carries out an important function. Yes. Each and every part do a special work for the plant. Clear? How we explain this thing? Sorry student. Now leaves. What is the function of the leaves? I explain you this line. Okay. Each part of the plants carries out an important function. What is the function of the leaves? Leaves are the kitchen of the plant. Clear? Why we say it? Because the plants, the leaves prepare the food for the plant and also help in the breathing. Clear? Means this is the kitchen and it's work like a nose of the plant. Clear? Human beings have one nose, then the plants have so many nose because the stomata is there. Stomata is small pores. Small pores होते हैं जिन्हें हम stomata कहते हैं. उनसे प्लांट सांस लेता है. The plants take carbon dioxide and what release for the human beings? Oxygen देते हैं. Clear? Now flower. Flower is the colorful part of the plant and very beautiful part of the plant. Through the plants we get, through the flower we get fruit. Clear? Those are the fruity trees and plants जो हमें सिर्फ फल देते हैं. First they develop flower and after that the flower changes into the fruits. Clear? And what? This is the beginning of the flower. Flower की शुरुआत कहाँ से होती है? First the plants bear buds. कलियां बनाते हैं. After that we get flower and the flower changes into the fruit. Clear? How we explain this thing? Bud changes into the flower and the flower changes into the fruit. Clear student? The buds changes into the flower and the flower changes into the fruits. Not all the flower changes into the fruit. Why? Because those are the plants give us fruit. They change their flower in the fruits. Clear? Now stem help the plant to stand erect or straight. The stem are the foot or legs of the plant or trees. If you want to stand on any place, तो you need your legs. आपको आपके पैरों की जरूरत होगी ना कहीं भी खड़े रहने के लिए. Same way, stem doing that work for the trees and plants. Clear? Now the roots. Roots are the very most important part of the plant because it works like a feet. आपके जो जो पंजे है ना जमीन में जिसको टिका के खड़े रहते हो, सेम द रूट्स आर डूइंग दैट वर्क फॉर द प्लांट्स एंड ट्रीज एंड आवर फुट, हमारे पैर जो है नीचे के पंजे जो है वो हमारे लिए जो काम करते हैं, विद द हेल्प ऑफ देम वी हैव टू स्टैंड ऑन अ प्लेस, उसी की मदद से हम खड़े रहते हैं ना। सेम वे विद द हेल्प ऑफ द रूट द प्लांट्स स्टैंड ऑन अ ग्राउंड because the roots hold the soil and help the plant to stand straight, सीधे खड़े रहने में मदद करती है plants। Clear? So these are the different parts and they have different works. Now after that, if you look at the plant, you will find that it has two main parts. The plant has two parts, that is the root and shoot. Root and shoot. Clear? We don't say leaves, flower, fruit, birds, branches and stem. We give them a common name, that is the shoot system. In the shoot system we include these parts. इसमें हम सारे parts को, if you say shoot system means you include all parts of the plants, only leave the root. रूट को छोड़कर सारे पार्ट्स शूट सिस्टम में आते हैं। शूट सिस्टम मीन्स ऑल द पार्ट्स। क्लियर? तो द प्लांट्स हैव टू सिस्टम, रूट एंड शूट सिस्टम। क्लियर स्टूडेंट? सो दिस इज द क्विक रिवीजन फॉर यू। नाउ आफ्टर दैट we start what is the main parts and what is the things given in this chapter. We will discuss about them. Okay student, I just only explain you these things. This is the revision for you. Okay, root system, shoot system. Now after that in this chapter we will discuss about the roots. Okay student, what is the function of the root? This thing I explained you before few minutes, कुछ देर पहले बताया ना। Where are the roots present in the plant and trees? Where does, कहाँ होती है roots? Present underground, underground the soil. Okay, now after that can you see the roots of any plant? No. Why? Because this part present underground the soil, मिट्टी के नीचे होता है। Clear? And what is the function of the root? We will discuss about the sum after the sum types. Okay? Before that, what is given in this chapter? Root. Where the root present? Underground the soil. Clear? Now, what is the function of the root? We will discuss about after the sometimes. Before that, types of roots. How many types of roots? There are two types of root. Okay, two types of roots, and these roots are present in the different plants. Not these two types of root present in one plant. Clear? Some plants have taproot, some types of root. First is fibrous root. Fibrous root. Okay? Fibrous root. Why we say these roots are the fibrous roots? Because their structures is different. If we draw the picture of this root, these types of root, now where the roots present? Above the soil के नीचे होती है ना? Now if you want to draw fibrous root, if you want to see the picture of fibrous root, okay, so this is the picture of the fibrous root. Main root is there, but this is very thin, and after that there is so many sub roots is there. Okay. And we found these types of roots in the all direction of the plants, in the all direction. Main root is there. Now this is the subroot. Clear? This is the subroot. Student, this thing not given in your textbook, but I explain you. Now this is the main root. I explained you fibrous root. Now main root is there. And now these are the सब रूट्स. एक मेन रूट होती है, उससे बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी रूट्स निकली होती है. So that is the main root, and these are the small like a thread. Okay, these are the sub roots. Clear? Now we found fibrous root in the which plant? Onion. After that, those plants related to cereals, means food grains, grass family, those are related to grass family. They have which types of roots? Fibrous root. This thing I explained you in the chapter number 3. Already I explained you the plants, those are related to grass family. Maize, oat, wheat, rice, and some those are related to herbs. Small plants, grass and coriander, mint, they have which types of roots? Fibrous root. Onion, wheat, rice, bamboo, coriander. These plants have which type root? They have fibrous root, and this is the main root and the thread like structure. These are the sub roots. Clear, student? This is the first type of root. Now the next type is taproot. Taproot basically found in the big trees. Clear? First I showed you. So this is the second types of root, and we give them name. This is the taproot. Why we give them taproot? Because main root is situated in the which place? It goes underground the earth, and some root also spread in which place? Above the soil. Okay, this is the second type of root, and those are the big trees. We found these types of root in that plant. Okay, now this is the very big root, and it grows very highly underground the earth. Clear? And they have subroots also, but not so many subroots is there, because one root is going underground the earth, and subroots hold the big trees. Clear? So we read this thing, the roots. Page number 94. The roots is the underground part of the earth. Yes, we cannot see the roots of any plant. We usually cannot see this part. Yes, this is not visible for us. There are two types of roots, fibrous root and taproot. Fibrous root, one type. Okay. In some plants, the thin roots grow in all the direction from the end of the stem. Okay, end of the stem. Stem is there. End of the stem, there are so many roots is there. Some are big, some are small, some are thin. Clear? These are called fibrous root. Onion, wheat and maize have fibrous root. It's look like a brush. Okay? Now the second type is taproot. Some plants have one root which grows from the lower end of the stem. This is called the taproot. Plants like mango, peepal, neem, beans and mustard have taproot. These are the big trees. Clear, student? And mustard. Mustard is a small, they have small plant. But which types of roots is there? Taproot. Clear, student? So this is the two types of root. Now function of the root. What is the function of the root? We have 2 feet. हमारे पास 2 पैर हैं. I'm not talking about the legs. Feet. पंजे हैं ना पैरों के. What is the function of that part? It helps human beings to stand straight. Same way, the roots protect the plant or in trees to stand straight in the soil. Clear? Roots hold the plant firmly in the soil. Yes. Second, they absorb water, mineral and nutrient from the soil. If you watering the plants, अगर आप पौधे या पेड़ को पानी देते हो तो वो पानी कहाँ जाता है? नीचे जाएगा. It goes under the soil. Now, and the plants need these water and nutrients for the growth. How the plants grow? Through the photosynthesis. The leaves prepare the food for the plants. But how the plants get water? In the photosynthesis, plants need water also, H2O. चाहिए ना, पानी चाहिए ना. Clear? So how the leaves get that water? So these were doing roots for the plants. Roots absorb the water from the soil and send to the all parts of the tree. And this thing I explained in the class 3 also. Okay. Root passing the water to the stem send that water in the all parts of the tree and plant. Okay. So what is the meaning of the second sentence? They absorb water, minerals and nutrients from the soil. Clear? Third number, in some plants roots also store food. Example, carrot, radish and turnip. This is the eatable parts. Okay, carrot, radish, beetroot, these are the roots but human beings use as a salad. Clear? So this is the function of the root. Now student, we revise this thing. What is given in this chapter? We discuss about the roots and flower, and from the beginning of the chapter I explain you about the different types of plants and different parts of the plant, and those are the visible part. It makes which part or which system? That is the shoot system, and that is not visible for us, जो हमें दिखाई नहीं देता, that is the root system. And first I explain you about the root. Where does the roots present in the plant? It present underground the soil. Now after that I explain you about the types of root. How many types of roots present in the plants? Two types of roots. That is, first is fibrous root and second one is tap root. And from which plants have fibrous root? Those are related to grass family. Those are the small plants. Herbs, shrubs have which types of roots? Fibrous root. Now the second one is tap root. Plants and trees, those are the big trees, they have tap root. Clear? And what is the function of the root? It absorbs the minerals, water and nutrient from the soil and send to the all parts of the plant. And it also store the food for the plant. Some plants, only some plants. Okay, carrot, radish and beetroot. And after that, most important work of root is it hold the plant straight in the soil. Okay. Now tomorrow we will discuss about the special roots. Some special roots also found in the plants. Clear? And their function is very different. So tomorrow we will discuss, or in the next lecture we will discuss about that. But you have to read the page number 94. Okay? I finish my lecture. Bye bye.